So hi guys, welcome to Geeky Iyer. So today we are reviewing Canon V10 Powershot. So this was bought from Flipkart on the big billion day. So this cost us around 24,000 after the offers. So I quickly show you guys what's in the box for this device. So as you can see, this is the packaging. Since it's a very small device, packaging is really small. So once I open the box, so it clearly shows that it's a vlogging device. So basically the primary use of this is for videography. You can take photos as well. That's another thing. Yes, so opening up the box, so you have a small package where it has the USB cables, and then we have the warranty regulatory statement guide. So once you have got this, guys, please register on the Canon website for the warranty. And then this is the USB cable which we have, which we are using for charging the device, and that is the Canon device itself. So as you can see, it's very small, very handy, and it has this type C charging port on one side, and you can see the power button, the menus, and that's the lens. So this is a fixed lens which is at f2.8, and the HDMI cable output is there, and mic is also there, which is used for this activity. And as you can see, there's HDMI cable and as well as USB-C. So you can flip the screen. That is again used for vlogging, for selfie videos as such. And the device is, as you can see, it's very small. So it has a small stand where you can prop it up and you can use it for your vlogging purpose as well. So that is really handy. So those who want a vlogging device primarily, you can buy this. And the flip screen is also very useful for this. So now going to the camera modes and settings. So as you can see, it shoots at 20 megapixel, and you can set that as per your choice. Then if you go to the video mode, it has some smooth skin movie version, and there are three settings basically. So one is for movie IS mode, and one is manual exposure mode, and then we have audio movie mode. So these are the movie modes, and each mode it keeps you warning that if you use it for too long, it might get hot because it's a small device. And on the video options, you have for 4K till 30 frames, and you have full HD at 60 frames. So that is again an inbuilt option on this. And so again, you have the menu buttons and the power button. As you can see, you can just click on that and it's used. And the menu, just if you're a Canon user, the menu is just like any other DSLR device which you've used. So if you have any questions, guys, do write to Geeky Iyer. So again, I'll show you the how it looks. This is how the device looks.